Am I audible, everyone? Jondeep Bandini?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now you see introduction. Introduction on bones and joints. So these bones, what does it do? They helps us in supporting, and also they protect the body. They protect the body means to be in a shape. You just imagine if we don't have bones, how would our structure be? Okay, so for that, bones they means what to say? They help, or else they appear in a good way. That's why, like even we are also having structure. And secondly, you see, they also provide various blood cells or minerals and provide support for mobility in conjunction to muscle.
Ma'am, your voice was not clear.
Voice is not clear. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Second point you see. The second point we can see that these bones they provide various blood cells. Okay, these bones they provide blood cells and also
Yeah.
they store minerals. These bones they store minerals and they provide mobility. Mobility means what? Mobility means like you go from here to there, moving around. You can walk, you can run. Means you can move your body. So that one is known as mobility. Okay, and in conjunction with muscle, in conjunction to muscle, what does it mean? Means your muscles. It,
Ma'am,
huh?
ma'am, mobility and flexibility is the same thing. I watch.
Yeah. It's same only.
Okay,
Same.
okay.
It's same. In conjunction to muscle. In conjunction to muscle, what does it mean? Means even your muscles and all are also joined with the help of these bones only. Okay. Okay. I will move to the next point now. Bone is made of bone tissue, and it is a type of dense conductive tissue. This in this bone we will find a tissue that is a dense connective tissue. Okay, everyone, shall we move to the next slide?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
okay. So in bones also there are different types of bones, and these are long bones, short bones, flat bones, sesamoid bones, and irregular bones. Please note it down. Are you all noting it down? Do you have a pen and a copy with you?
Not finished.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Finished. Okay. Shall I
Ma'am,
move to the
first one
next
is not
slide?
finished. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move to the next slide. Means in the next slide, I'll show you what are long bones, what are short bones, what are flat bones, what are sesamoid bones, and what are irregular bones. Okay, let's move to the next slide.
Yes, ma'am.
So this, I think if you will draw, it will take time. So please take a screenshot, or else you can just click a picture on this. What I'm doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, first you see flat bones. Flat bones mostly we see in the frontal. In the frontal. Frontal means this. You can see the mouse moving. Mouse, I mean the arrow. You can see it or not. I am moving the.
No, ma'am.
I am. You can
Yes.
see this. Okay. You please see to this. Actually, I am pointing the bones.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So this is flat bones. Flat bones mostly where you will find. Mostly these flat bones you will find mostly in the in your this one head. Okay, in your head,
All
flat
right.
bones means the front part of your head. This is known as flat bones or else frontal bones. So we will come slowly one by one. What do you mean by frontal bones? Slowly, slowly. So this is known as flat bones, which we find here. Okay. Next, Next, it is the short bones. The short bones mostly we find in the carpal. Here, you can see the carpal here. Everyone can sit or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, this is known as carpal bones. Okay, or else short bones. You will find mostly in your hand. That is in your wrist part. You know the wrist where you used to wear bands, means wristbands, then watch. You know that area where most of you where used to wear bands, or else watch. Where do you wear? This area only, na? This area. Can you see?
Yes.
Huh. So here you will get carpal bones or else short bones. This area. Okay. Shall we move to the next bone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sesamoid bones. Okay. This sesamoid bones, you will find the sesamoid bones in the platilla. Platilla is this part. Oh, sorry. Wait, just a second. Okay. These sesamoid bones mostly you will find in the platilla. Platilla is this part, this area. That is in between your joints. Sorry, in between your knees. You know your knees. In your knees, you will get
Yes.
platilla. This is sesamoid bones.
Yes, ma'am.
This part. Shall we move to the next bone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is the sutural bone. This sutural bone it was not there, but just for your knowledge, I am giving you. Okay. This sutural bone, this sutural bone where it is found? It is found mostly here only in the skull again. And these sutural bones are what? Actually, they are like division. I mean, means separation. Can you see this line? Line, separate.
Yes, ma'am.
Haha. So these lines are known as sutural bones. Okay, sutural. This is known as sutures. Sutures in your skull. This is sutural bones. Are you clear with that?
class.
Huh? Rohan, are you saying something?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. This is sutural bones. Okay. Shall we move to the next bone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next bone, you will get irregular bone. Irregular bone mostly you will find in your vertebra. Your vertebra is here. Okay. Your vertebra is here. You will get irregular bone here. Means irregular. In the name only, like you just know they are irregular. They are not regular. Means they're irregular. Okay. Um, and the shape is like this. It's like this. Means this is just they're zooming in. They're zooming in, and this picture have come up. Okay, everyone. Irregular bones
Yes,
you
ma'am.
find in the vertebra. Okay. Shall we move to the next bone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Next bone. Next bone is the long bone. Long bone. Here you will find in the femur. This is known as femur. In your thigh, in your leg or else thigh. And this is the longest bone in your body. This femur. Okay. This femur is the longest bone in your body. Okay, everyone.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Flat bone, short bone,
Yes,
sesamoid
ma'am.
bone, sutural bones, irregular bones, and long bones. Shall we move to the next slide?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now let us see long bones. Actually, in your portal, I have given you the notes. From there, it's better to refer. This one is just like what to say, just for your outer knowledge. I'm giving you. Okay, so you can note it down also. No problem in this. Okay, let's see. Long bone. Long bone. They have two parts. One is diaphysis and epiphysis. Yesterday I told you,
Devices.
yes, this is epiphysis. Okay, epiphysis. Epiphysis, where it is situated. No need to this one draw upon this part. Only this parts you draw. Epiphysis, diaphysis. Okay. Epiphysis, where does it lie? It lies in both the two ends of your bone. Means this part. This part. Okay. This part is known as epiphysis. The middle part is known
Yes,
as
ma'am.
diaphysis.
Diaphysis.
Diaphysis. Middle part is known as diaphysis, and both the two ends is known as epiphysis. Where you will get long bones? I already told you, na? Where you will get long bones? Where you will find which is the longest bone in your body?
Spongy.
Longest bone in your body? Where you will find? Let me likha. Where you will find long bones?
Femur bones.
Huh?
It's her femur.
Femur, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This week. Actually, it is appearing like this. Okay. So now you know now what do you mean by diaphysis and epiphysis. This now I have shown you in diagram.
Long bones.
Do you know or not now diaphysis and epiphysis? Diaphysis was which part? End part or middle part?
Middle
Middle
part.
part.
And epiphysis?
Ending part.
Corner.
End parts means two sides. Okay. Okay. The long
Side.
bones in the body are as follows. So I've already said before, in bones we will get in legs. That is the femur, tibia, fibula. All this we will come one by one. Okay. This is just the names that I'm
Yes, ma'am.
giving you now, and you can note it down if you want. Then yes, you will get here. In the legs, you will get this long bones. Okay. Okay. In your arms, where you will get long bones, in the humerus, radius, and ulna. The clavicles, you will get in the clavicles or else polar bones also, and metacarpals, metatarsals, and phalanges. We will come to all these names later on afterwards. For now, you just note it down. Are you done?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Wait. Some are saying they are not done.
Screenshot.
Okay, let me. Okay. Please note it down. Finish everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move to the next slide. If you want, you just click this photo or else you just take a screenshot because it will take time, na? If you will find. Finish doing. Are you done? Can I proceed?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Short bones. These short bones, they will appear as like box type. Means all this you can see na box type will appear. Means the appearance of short bones is like a box. Only. The examples of short bones are carpal bones. Okay, carpal bones will
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
okay. Can you hear now, Jyotishmita? Am I audible now?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. Short bones where you will get short bones you will get in the carpal bones. Carpal bones where you will get again. Carpal bones you will get in your wrist. I have already said now where is your wrist? The place where you wear your bands like watch,
Watch.
all those. That one is known as wrist. Okay, you will get your carpal bones there, and they are box type in appearance. The appearance of carpals is like a box only. Okay, and you will get short bones again in your tarsal bones. Tarsal bones where you will get in your ankles. You know your ankles where it is in your feet part, your feet, F double E T or else F double O T, feet, foot, all those parts you will get your tarsal bones. There also it will appear as box type only. Okay, are
Okay,
you
ma'am.
are you done with short bones now? Can I move to the next
Yes.
slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Finish now, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
next move. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, flat bones. Oh, sorry. Just wait. Okay, flat bones. Flat bones mostly where you will get. I have already said that you will get in your this one frontal part also.
Forehead.
Here the name is not given, but I'm just revising again. Okay, you will get here in your front part as well as in this part. In this part you will get this part is also known as sternum. Okay, and
Flat bone.
what is the appearance of flat bones? The appearance of flat bones are mostly they are thin, and from the name only, like you can just know they are flat. Okay, they are thin and they are flat in appearance, and they are usually curved. Curve, you know, no, the meaning of curve. You know the meaning of curved or not?
Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am.
We know.
Do you know the meaning of curve? Curve means what? It's not straight. It's a bit slant, not exactly slanting. Also, it's like this. Understand? It's a bit semicircle type. This last part no need. Okay, this two is enough. These 2 points they are thin, flat, and they are usually curved. This two is enough. No need to note down this thin layer. Not no need this one. For you all, this two is enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Flat bones where you will find bundlin, flat bones,
Yes, ma'am.
bundlin.
Yes, ma'am.
Where you
Sternum.
will find flat bones,
Frontal part.
frontal part. Okay, and which part?
Sternum.
Uh-huh. Not sternum.
Perineum.
Sternum. You say sternum. Okay.
Sternum. Yes.
Sternum. Yes. This is known as sternum. Okay. Finish noting down. Shall I move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next is sesamoid bones. This is sesamoid bones.
Sesamoid bones.
Sesamoid bones. Okay. Sesamoid bones. They are usually small. Okay. They are usually small and round in shape, and they are also flat. The appearance of sesamoid bones is round, small, and flat. Okay. Okay. They develop inside tendons and are most often encountered near the joints, uh, at, at the knee, the hands, and the feet. Means what? This sesamoid bones. They are mostly what to say. They are mostly involved in like the connection part. Connection part. How will I say? If you tie a knot, okay, if you tie a knot, what in the middle, what you will find like gold shape, isn't it? If you tie a knot in the middle, if you tie a like string in the middle, what you will get? You will find something round shape, na, in the middle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this sesamoid bones is also like that only. I mean connection of what to say, one line, but like it's like a knot. It's not exactly a knot, but I'm just saying you for you to understand it more clearly. Okay, this is somewhat bones connection of something. You see in this part also. This figure is a knee. K and double E knee. This figure is knee. So this one, this is a knee. So this is a connection of between two joints, isn't it? Two joints or else two
Yes,
bones.
ma'am.
So this is the connection. This is the connection of two bones that is known as sesamoid bones or else platilla. Okay, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, shall we move to the next part?
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we move to the next slide? Finish noting down. Are you done? Can I move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Next is irregular bone. Irregular bone where we
Irregular.
find in your vertebra. This is your vertebra. This is just what they have zoomed in. They have zoomed out. So this picture have come up. So this is vertebra, and this vertebra where you get in your irregular
Lips.
bones. No,
Yeah.
no, ribs is here. Okay,
Feet.
this is ribs.
Feet.
This is different.
Oh,
This is
bones does
vertebra.
not.
Lips.
Ribs is this. We will come later one by one. How many bones do we have, na? We will come
Say
one by one.
hips.
How many bones do we have in your skull? How many bones do you have in your arms? How many bones do you have in your this one, this part, abdomen part? How many bones do you have here? That is this part. We will come one by one. First, um, we we need to know the names, right? The name of the bones.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah. So for that, like. After knowing the names of the bones, then only like we will come one by one. Okay. So okay, let's see this irregular bones. Irregular bones, they don't fit into previous categories. Previous categories, what we got? All those frontal bones, isn't it? Frontal bones and
Yes.
what was there? Flat bones, long bones, all those. They don't fit in those categories. Okay, everyone.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Sorry.
Long bone.
Let me. Wait. Okay. Just wait a second. Okay. Okay. Irregular bones have complicated shapes. From these only, like you can just know na, that they are a bit complicated in shape, isn't it? Compared to the
Yes, ma'am.
rest. Means the rest you just see all this. It's like very much
Two.
what to say, very much proper. But these bones you see not proper, isn't it? So they are complicated in shape. And examples of the irregular bones are hip bones. Hip. This part is hip part or not? Hip. Your hip. HIP. So you will get here your irregular bones. Okay, are you done? Shall we move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all. That's all. Thank you for attending the
Okay.
class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mhm.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
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 Do you want me to repeat?
Ma'am.
I'll just show you the slide once again, or else are you okay with it?
And one second.
You
One
can
second.
show, ma'am. Once again, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I repeat again, or you are just okay with the slides? You will just be okay by seeing the slides.
Which
Ma'am,
slide, ma'am?
repeat again.
Uh huh. What do you want? You just say.
Ma'am, repeat once.
I'll repeat. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
bones. You just imagine your body without bones. How will it be? Just
Artworm.
imagine. One of
Then
you
it
just
will be
say.
like a cake,
One of you just say. If you were without bones, how will you look? How will you look?
Artworm.
Artworm,
like octopus.
like
Yes,
octopus.
will look like artworm.
Okay. Be shapeless. You won't have any shape, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Without bones, we will be like shapeless. I mean, any shape. So, what do? Bones. The bones they support. Okay, they support each other or not? The bones.
Yes, ma'am.
Support.
Yeah, they support each other, and also they protect the body and its organs. Its organs means what? Means organs mostly in this part it's saying about visceral organs. We will come slowly one by one. Visceral organs. Visceral organs, what does it mean? Your internal organs. Your internal organs are what? Liver, kidney, your brain,
Yes.
your small intestine, large intestine, pancreas, and so on, isn't it? So
Yes.
as the bones are situated inside your body, that's why only like even your internal organs are also in like what to say in proper position, isn't it? So it means that
Yes, ma'am.
okay, the first point. Understand everyone the first point?
Understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, in the next point, what do
Yes,
we have?
ma'am.
They produce various blood cells. If in the bones also, you will get like cell formation. Oh, sorry, yeah, blood cell formation. Okay, they produce blood cells, and they also store minerals. This bone they store minerals, and also they provide support for mobility. Mobility means what? Means you are moving from here to there. Okay, you can dance, you can sit, you can lie down, you can do anything. So with the help of bones. So with this help only, like your bone, sorry. So with this support of your bone only, like you are able to move from here to there. Conjunction with muscle. In conjunction with muscle, what does it mean? Your muscles, that is your cardiac muscles. You will come one by one. I'm just saying you, your cardiac muscles, your skeletal muscle, and so on. Like inside your skin, sorry, yeah, inside your skin, you are having muscles, isn't it? When you get a cut
Yes,
from
ma'am.
anything, like you should see your muscles or not. Sometimes means if you
Yes.
have got a deep cut, so that muscle, all those muscles also like with the help of bones only like it is protected. Okay, I'm just saying you an example. Like if you go for a war, war, this one, uh, what do the soldiers mostly wear for this one for their protection?
Helmet.
Huh?
Helmet.
Helmet. Okay. 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 That and also shield. You have seen shield. Shield means what to say? Armor means weapon or something like that.
Yes.
So same like that. This bones also is like a shield to the what to say to our body, like to protect our body. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, you see, bone is made up of bone tissue.
Tissue.
These bones are made up of bone tissues, and they are this one a type of dense connective tissue. Okay, and next is types of bones. There are how many types are there? Anyone? How many types of bones? 5 types.
6.
Okay, bone
6.
bones,
25.
short bones, flat
5, 5, 5.
bones,
Yes.
sesamoid bones, and irregular bones. Okay, all this will come in exam. How many bones? How many types of bones are there in okay, long bones are found mostly where short bones are found mostly where flat bones are found mostly where.
সরো না
Huh?
আরে দূরে থেকে কথা কো না
What happened, Rohan? Any problem? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you will get like this type. Okay, these are the types of bones. And next, don't worry about your attendance, Saurabh. I can take in WhatsApp also, no problem. I can see from here also how who have joined. Now I can see. Don't worry about your attendance. Okay. Next is flat bone. Flat bone where you will get mostly in your frontal part or else your sternum. Sternum is here. Now it's not given here, but as it was showing, that's why I'm just repeating again. So flat bones, frontal bones, and suture bones. That is the
Anim.
division of the bones. Suture bones, short bones. Short bones where you will get mostly in your carpal.
Purple.
Carpal, this part. Carpal is this part. Okay, your wrist,
Yes, ma'am.
wrist in between your hands and so to say arms. What these carpals?
Sure.
Okay. Next is sesamoid bone. This sesamoid bone mostly you will get in your platilla. Platilla is here in between your femur and this area. Okay. Also you
Yes.
will get here also this platilla. Na you will get here means the joining of two bones.
Between the
Joining of
joints.
two bones. You will get here also in your arms. This part. Okay. You will get here also. You will get here also. And I was saying about collar bones now before. Collar bones. This part is collar bone. This collar. Collar, so you know, I guess. Collar.
Yes, ma'am.
For girls, mostly we to say beauty bone, isn't it? That one.
Yes.
Okay, that one is collar bone. Okay, COLLAR. Okay, next is irregular bones. Irregular bone is this part. Okay, in your vertebra. It's here in your hip part. HIP, kamar, hip, HIP. Okay, next is long bone. This is your long bone. Long bone, mostly you will find your femur. Which is the longest bone in your body?
Femur.
Femur.
Mete,
Long
mete.
bone.
Femur.
Which is the longest bone in your body?
Femur, ma'am.
Femur. Okay, where you will find femur?
Long bone.
Mm.
Long bone, I know. I mean,
Hi.
which part?
And thigh.
Thigh, yes, thigh.
Thigh.
Hi.
Okay, okay, next. So long bones. The long bones has two parts, diaphysis and epiphysis. Diaphysis means which part? Which
The middle part.
and epiphysis?
The side parts.
Corner.
The ends, corners,
Both
ends.
the two end part. Okay. The long bones in the body are as follows. Legs, I've already said femur, tibia, fibula. All this we will come later on. In this, note down the names. Arms is the humerus, radius, ulna. And also you will get the long bones of clavicles or collarbones, metacarpals, then metatarsals, phalanges. Okay. So this is
Okay,
about long
ma'am.
bones. Okay, next. Okay, this is the picture of long bone. Okay. Let's see again epiphysis, diaphysis. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, short bones. Short bones, their appearance is how? Gordas.
Works like
How is their appearance?
appearance.
Gor?
Works like
No, I'm not asking you. Gordas.
Yes, ma'am.
How is the appearance of short bones or carpal bones? How is the
Box
appearance?
like.
Same, box like. You can see in the picture also, it's like a box in appearance. And the example of short bones are in the wrist bar, and in the tarsal bones. Tarsal bones where you will get in your ankles. Okay, in your
Ankles,
ankles. You
yes.
don't know where is your ankles?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ankles,
ma'am.
you know or not? Okay.
We
Okay,
know.
in that part you will see. Okay, next, flat bones. This point only, okay? Only these 2 points.
Carbon.
These
Okay,
flat
ma'am.
bones mostly you will get in your frontal, this part. It's not given here, but before I have shown you. This frontal part and thin, they are thin and they are flat. Okay? And they are usually curved. They are usually curved, these flat bones. Okay, everyone?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And in these flat bones, mostly you will get in your sternum, this part. This is
Sternum.
sternum. This part means join with the hip, join with the ribs.
Yes,
Okay,
ribs.
ribs. Okay. Okay, next, sesamoid bones. Sesamoid
Sesame.
bones. What happens? Some students are leaving, not interested, or else because of network issue. Wait, just wait. Sesamoid bones, you see, the sesamoid bones mostly they are small, they are round, and they are flat. Okay, they develop inside tendons and are most often encountered near joints at the kidney. Means they are like the joining of two different bones, two bones connection or else the joining we can say supporting each other. This is known as sesamoid bones. You'll get in your platula, and the appearance are small, round, and flat. Okay, shall we
Okay,
go to the
ma'am.
next
Okay,
slide?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, irregular
Very cool.
bones. Irregular bone is the last bone we will discuss for today. Irregular bones, they don't fit into the previous categories. Previous categories are what? Previous categories we have already seen flat
Flat
bones,
bones,
then sesamoid
short
bones,
bones,
then what was there? Just
short
small
bones.
long bones. Okay, we have only 5 minutes now. It's showing in my screen. Okay, so they have complicated shapes. Complicated shapes means what? Means they are not what to say convenient shape. Okay, they are a bit complicated comparing to the previous shapes. I mean to the previous bones. And the next is example of the hip. Examples of irregular bones are hip bones and vertebra.
Bones.
These hip bones and this vertebra. Okay, everyone. I think you are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone
Yes,
is
ma'am.
clear,
Okay,
right?
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you
After
Yes,
so much,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, yes.
Yes,
After
ma'am.
a few minutes, maybe after 10 minutes, I will take a practical. Practical means I will just what to say. I'll just discuss with you. Yeah, it won't take time. Maybe around 10
Okay.
minutes like that.
Ma'am.
I will just discuss the syllabus with you. You don't know, na, what is there. So I'll just discuss with
Uh,
you.
Ma'am, physiology is practical, right?
This one is a theory which I'm doing now is
Theory.
theory. Okay,
Okay,
practical
ma'am.
Okay,
we will
ma'am.
take maybe next week. For now, I'll just introduce with you like the syllabus. Okay, okay.
Okay,
Get
ma'am.
ready after
All right, ma'am.
five ten
Okay,
minutes. Then
man.
I will do. Not even
Okay, ma'am.
10 minutes over 5 minutes. Okay,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
okay, okay. Thank
Okay,
you,
ma'am.
everyone.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mhm.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, yes. We'll meet again.